Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I am going to tell you a dua. If you recite this dua morning or evening 7 times, Allah will grant whatever you desire from this world or the next. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. I seek refuge in Allah from Shaitan, the accused one, in the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. حسبي الله لا إله إلا هو عليه توكلت وهو رب العرش العظيم. Allah is sufficient for me. There is none worthy of worship but Him. I have placed my trust in Him. He is Lord of the majestic throne. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, share and comment. Thank you.